Hello, I am selling this 2018 Zero FX. This has the 7.2 kilowatt hour integrated battery. A couple other extras I've put on it are just these are the factory handguards, the Cycra OEM handguards at Zero sells. This seat here is also what they call the I guess the MX seat or the motocross seat. I have the original factory seat as well that has a little bit more of a cutout for the rider. It's a little bit lower, and it has the top rack on it as well. Just gives you these grab handles here, and you can mount a top box or whatever. I also have the chain kit on it, and I have some knobby tires. I also have the OEM tires for anybody interested in. They're not so knobby, they're less aggressive, more suitable for street use. So I have the bike is, the plastics came white. The white plastics are under that. These are just Plasti-dipped in green. It's held up so far. The bike has about, let's see, a little less than 1,200 miles on it. It's relatively new. 1147 is the mileage there. Do another walk around for you. There's the tires. I did add another mud guard up in here to protect the shock. Got the charging cord down in the swing arm hole. Just a convenient place to tuck it. But if you do put a top box or tail bag or something, I'd recommend taking it out of that hole. It can fall out. Just have a little brake saver on there. Otherwise, it is basically up. One other thing, I do have bar risers on it as well, just to bring the handlebars up. I'm pretty tall. So that's it. That is my FX. I'll take it a quick ride for you here. Good little trail bike. Quiet.